In this video, I'm showing you how to compress a folder and then turn it into a zip file so that way you can attach a direct download link to your emails and GoHighLevel. This is extremely valuable for any type of quick delivery if you're selling a product that you can sell just via direct download link. So this is how we do it. I'm in my automations here. And so what I would want to do is go to my order submit and click into this. This is my order submit workflow. If you're interested in something like this, where you can just have this all set up and then you can change a couple names and a couple links. The snapshot is available for anyone who uses my affiliate links. So it's just plug and play from then on out. But moving on, we go up to our first email. So that way, this is what they're going to receive as soon as they've purchased. And so congrats, you see here. And on this download zip file, this link is what we want to attach. And so now how do we attach this link? This is what we do. So you are going to drop down out of here. I'm going to show you. So I have a folder here. This is exactly what it is. And so I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to hit compress PrettyQuiz starter pack version 1. It's going to create a zip file out of that. So this is now just a file. It's important that you know it's no longer a folder, it's a file. So now we're going to go back to our screen and we go to Google Drive. So whenever we have a blank folder like this, what we want to do is go back into new, and now we're going to hit file upload. You don't want to do folder upload because it's no longer a folder, it's a file. And so whenever you get into here, you're going to have the option of selecting that zip format. So just click open, and then that shouldn't take long depending on how large the file site is. And so you can see it here again. Now, what we want to do is we want to click over and we want to go to share. You get this screen. You want to make sure that it isn't restricted, because right now it's restricted. So if somebody clicked on the link, they're not going to have access. You just want to go ahead and click anyone with the link. This is going to give anyone the opportunity to be able to see it, quote unquote, see it, but it's going to allow them access. This is important later. So now we click done. So we come back up here into this file and we paste the link. So now we have the link to our folder, technically the zipped folder. So it's just a file, but this piece of the link is the information for your file. And this is going to be important for the link that we're building. So we go back up to this tab, question mark, export equals download and ID equals. Now from here, this is going to create a direct download link. So we go back to our original link that we just created. We're going to copy this part of the code because this is saying exactly what you need to download whenever you have it. So I'm going to paste that in and go ahead and Command C, and I want to take this to a new tab. Let's just take it over here, delete all of this, and let's paste that in, and let's see what we get. And there we have it. So we have our downloaded file, which is that PrettyQuizCodes. It says 1 because I've already done this. One just has to make sure that I had it correct. So now whenever we double click on it, it's going to open on the computer as this folder, and now we get all of the file that you needed to send. And so this is how we create a downloadable link, but that's only step 2 of this process. Step 3, which makes it really valuable to us, is that we take this link that we just created. Now we head back over to our automations and we just link this to our file. And you can say, click here to, forgive me, download, exclamation point, because it's exciting. And we have our link ready to go. As far as actions go, we want to open this in a new window so that way it can keep them where they're at. And so now we have our click here to download. This is our direct download link right here in the emails. This is extremely valuable because now you don't have to go through all these processes. It's just stored on Google Drive and extremely easy as far as deliverability goes. So this is how you set up your direct to download link. I hope you found this helpful.
So if you liked this video, then I think you'll like this video next. It's where I go over the 5 tips that would have saved me so much time when building my GoHighLevel quizzes to create an outstanding user experience. So give that a watch and implement that in your quizzes.